Hello team, hello all my traders friend. How are you guys doing? How are you all my friend? How's everything going? How's your life? How's everything? We will start in few about trading. We will start it to see what's going on in the market and how market is working, what is the structure. We will start to analyze everything in few. Okay. So you are always welcome. I have my Discord link and Telegram link. Hello, team. Hello. How are you guys? How are you? How is everything? How is everything going? All right, team. All right. So, how is everything? How is everyone trading going on so far? Today we are. I kind of merged together both kind of stream here. We will try to find out the opportunity in the market. Does not matter where the market is heading, but we will find our trades and execute couple of good trade. So I usually trade most of the time. Hey Bharat, how are you? Good brother, good my friend, good my friend. All right, so to all my friend, I have joined here. I'm trying to find out. We'll try to find out the opportunity in the market. So first we will look market. We will look for the spy for the US market, and then we have Bitcoin as well. To understand the structure, as I always suggested, you should always look for, whenever you're starting your day, make sure at least you are looking for bigger time frame. What exactly going on? This is what I did analysis from past week. Oh, sorry, on day before Christmas. If we heading to 691, then is a good level for short, right? So what we can do is we will first analyze the SPY, which is for the US market, and then we will start to look for the crypto. Then we will start to look for the crypto. So both side we are, and let me put in my Discord. You guys can join my stream live now, and will execute some nice trades today. All right, so whoever is joining, it's oh yeah, Bharat, thank you so much for joining Telegram. Yes, so I just started Telegram as well. I am mostly active on Discord for the US stock markets, but as I see, Telegram is mostly widely used for the crypto. So pretty much I created a server over there. So let's go back and started to analyze our SPY first. And if you guys have any question, let me know in the comment. All right. So make sure that we are following what market is doing right now. So what we have seen, these were the analysis I did in previous week, and after analyzing 4 hour, we will find out some levels. Okay, and we'll try to find out a good setup, right? So if you look at this 4 hour, right, what 4 hour is doing so far, if we look carefully, this is the high of the market today. So one thing you should always do is, whenever you're starting your day, make sure you are looking for the high and you are just drawing the high and the low of the market. Those are very important, because if market break either side, then we can see a big selling or big buying, right? So this is what you have to always mark on the chart, right? um, US stock market, yeah, no, not risky. Every risky, they see trading is definitely risky, right? So does not matter if it is a US market, if it is a Bitcoin, every trading is risky. But if you go with the plan, if you go with your setup, then like you always have exit strategy, right? All you need in the stock market or any kind of trading is your exit strategy. If you do not have a proper exit strategy, then definitely you're gonna lose. All right, so let's go back to our, this is 4 hour, then we will start to look for the 2 hour time frame. This is not 2 minutes, 2 hours, right? So 2 hour time frame is so you will start to see what is happening is, this is somewhere we are getting support, because this is trying to make a liquidity candle. So market, this morning market did a small liquidity grab at 689.66, right? And then market started to heading up, right? Okay, and then we have lot of gaps in the market which has to filled. When it will filled, we have no idea, right? So but we have to find out the opportunity for today's trade. So 1 hour, if we go, you started to see your high and low will kind of um sorting out the market, right? Sorting out the SPY levels, right? So 691, today's high 691, 60, today's low 69. So market is only trading between these for $2, right? And we will look for Tesla and other stocks too, right? So see, only for $2. So $2 they are doing manipulation in the market, and this is Friday today, right? And Friday is most manipulative day, because we have only it's the algo, mostly is the algo trading, less retail trader, lot of retail trader, but no, no buyers will appear immediately, no sellers will appear immediately. They just want to hunt your stop losses, right? So this is what we have to understand the market structure. All right, so the good buy right now in the market is this level, which is 684.77. Why it's this buy? Because in past we see a consolidation right here, and then if I show you a little bit here, then we see consolidation here as well, right? So this is one level has a strong buyer sitting in the market, right? And that is how it is trying to make a higher high so far. So far market structure has not break. If we go back to 15 minutes, right, we can see again 684 is something which is telling us that if you come here, then we have lot of support. So 684 to 680 level is a lot of good support level, right? Yes, Bhar, I'm discussing Tesla as well. If you have joined, uh, just join my live stream. I'm there. So all right, guys. So we will find out opportunity in now. In this is 15 minutes. So 15 minutes we see a one low, which is this point 689.54, right? And this is where we will look for the opportunity in the market. All right. So now the market came like this. It sweep the liquidity of high and then sweep the liquidity of low, and now it is doing a sideways kind of stuff, right? Now go back to 5 minutes. Let's see if market started to consolidate anywhere. So this is again a good level of selling. Why? Because 691 was always a selling zone from past, right? And that is what it is telling us, that market may this morning market again make a higher low, and but unable to break this higher low so far. So 689.54 is kind of showing a good support in the market, and we are heading very well so far, and try to touch this 695 level again, which is again a resistance zone, right? So that is where I wanted to see market should go back, retraces, and then come back and then break 689.54. But trade only on setup. So setup is very simple. We will again wanted to see market to look at 691. Okay. If we look at 3 minutes now, again we have one small resistance and we have this gap also sitting here, right? So market came back and it makes and this. So this is a valid order block. So we have planned to short market right from here. Small short opportunity. So SPY on over SPY, I would like everyone to be look carefully, right? And then I will just give a one trade. If 691.37 level is tapping, I am gonna will wait for the confirmation candle and then we'll buy one trade on the short side over SPY. And which one I will try to look for the options on SPY, right? And then if we look at the SPY options right over here, right, it's 26. Why it's not showing a 26? No, it's December, right? Okay, here you go. So let's call a strike price over. This is puts, right? So 691 will be the same with the so I will buy in the money put that is trading right now currently at 0.95, right? So right now it's trading at 0.95. This is the put we are targeting, because no structure has break yet. So Bharat trade, if once the structure is break, then we will start to see some red in the market, right? And then because it has not break any higher low, like lower low. So once the lower low break, then my candle will start to convert, because that is what the psychology is, right? I mean, because that will save you a lot when you do this, because that's how you can always not think about get early into the market, right? So wait for this opportunity. When the market will tap, we will quickly buy. Okay, so I kind of play SPX a lot, and this is what I am targeting. Once we sweep 6944 level, this level, we will wait for the confirmation candle, and then and the target will be this 6918. Okay, so and good buy if we see more selling in the market, and suppose market comes up to here 37-35 point, right? Then 6909 is the level which I wanted. So Bhar border. So brother, whenever you have news in the market, uh, it definitely provides a fuel, to the fuel. So news basically provide fuel to the more volatility in the market, and at that time it's better to stay away. Now let's see quickly. So we have this level. We figured out our SPY level. Let's figure out this level. So 6944 is the level for SPX. 6944 short. SPX level we got it. Buy, I want to do it from 6917. This will risky buy, but I want to buy. So because so far market is the sellers are keep appearing in the market, because once the market open, it has sweep the previous this particular low, right? But not the previous day low, which is sitting right over here, right? So that's why we started to see this structure so far. And if it is not crossing this higher high, then we will take one shot right over here, 6944. All right, now let's look at Tesla, what Tesla is exactly doing. Let's see. Tesla. All right. So, oh my God. So Tesla has a good opportunity still. So what I can say about Tesla is this is where the Tesla is heading, 487. It made a small high, one high in the market for it, and like one coincidentally, one thing I have found about with Tesla and the SPY, whenever we have some good, buy in the market for the SPY, then Tesla sometimes dump very well. But looks like this morning we see dump everywhere, right? This big dump we see everywhere because market was all time high. And if they will not dump this morning, what's gonna happen is then we will not find the opportunity in the market. So basically it's good, it's dump, otherwise it would be a sideways momentum, and entire day we will not find the opportunity. So let's go back to BTC. Okay, so BTC is heading. So BTC, I told everyone already, I am waiting for BTC to go back to 76 over 4 hours. This is where BTC wanted to go, 79, and then another low. Another low is like 74. I want to see BTC at 74, and then I am expecting a good move in the BTC. So it does not have much levels for BTC right now. Let's go back to SPY. So if I see SPY again, go back to 3 minute. We are coming to our levels. So slowly, like the buyers are testing where we have sellers sitting, and that is how the market is moving. So that is how the market is moving, and this is what we are waiting for once it stops right over here. So what I find out recently in the market, instead of tapping the level, they started to reverse early, and reverse early because they know if they reaching out to the levels where we have sellers sitting, then they will see big selling. So what happened is after taking a sell, the buyer started to consolidate at certain level, and then after making a consolidation, they started to break the new highs, right? So lot of people thinking about the short, right? And then it's all depend what market want, right? What SPY wants from the uh, retail traders, right? Because think about the way that whoever, right, I mean, shorted here this morning, where will be the stop loss? Definitely their stop loss will be, or will be here now, right? And whoever bought this morning right at open, right, their stop loss will be here, the previous day after hours, right? This one PM. Okay. So now the market is deciding, now the market deciding wherever we will see the more orders, right? Market will go opposite way, so it will hit the stop loss of everyone, right? So so far market is unable to breaking. So if you look at the structure right now, it made higher high, then higher low, and this is another higher low. If the market is reversing back, then we would definitely gonna this break the 689. I just so wanted to touch this particular level, tap it, and then come back, because one momentum came, and then the so it made higher high and then higher low and then again higher low. But then this is not a lower low. So we want one structure to be a lower low, otherwise it is converting into the W opportunity like this, right? Market can does very well. This thing is going this way, right? This way, and then this. So market can only stay between these zones, between these level today, right? Because that's how they trap both sides, right? So this if this is not going here, then we have a W structure and we are coming back to 689. So I wanted to short from here, but it can be a risky short right over here. We can grab one opportunity right over here. Okay, now let's see if they are getting buy again. So otherwise we will see a W trade opportunity on the buy side. So today market will be both side, but as I say, right, I mean, it's the end of year and volatility kind of can be high, right? So let's see Tesla. Tesla is doing. Tesla is making way. So Tesla is good for calls here. Target will be 481. Tesla is good for calls and target will be 481. Stop loss is just below 477.86. Tesla is good for call. Tesla is making good structure right now and it's good for call here. Target will be 481. So let me update here. This will be a risky trade as usual. Tesla good for call. Target 481. Stop loss below the liquidity 477.65. It's all depend on the consolidation. If we are able to break this 479, then we are going 481. So I have given this trade. This looks good right now. Let's heading back to SPY, and we wanted SPY to touch this level what we wanted in our market, but it they started reverse this early, which is not good. That's what they are doing these days. Created another gap. So we have created another gap. We see a quick selling right over here. This was entire selling candle. But as this candle has not tapped the low of this particular candle, which is 690.40, right, over 3 minutes. So we still safe so far. But let's see. As I said, the W structure can be play out. This is what it looks like so far. Either buy calls at this level or either short from here. This is a trapping zone, full trapping zone in the middle. This is a full trapping zone. So we are just waiting for this zone to be clear out, right? Come here and then make a liquidity candle, tap all the orders and then go back. Otherwise, it will just consolidate in this zone. So let's look at Tesla. Tesla might have started to go up now already. 470 area. So look at this. Is surviving right over here. Then we will see another buy because now these are creating gap and going moving up. So 481 is the Tesla target, and definitely it's going to achieve quickly. I am opening one call here over Tesla and we'll share the trade. We can let me see which one is going on, which one is good here. The only thing is what I wanted is Tesla not to break this level because now this is a consolidation. If we are breaking this, then like it's not. So I'm waiting for the confirmation candle. So what is the confirmation candle? Market should just whenever market goes like this, it made a high, right? Market should come one more time and break this higher high, this high 479, and then we are heading up, right? And the good thing about this setup is so far, if we look closely, right, this is not breaking. It comes here and we started to see buy. So we should see a wicking from the bottom to the top, more wicking, and then we will see started to go up. If we are seeing wick from top, then we have sellers. If we are seeing wick from bottom, then we have lot of buyers. All right. Until unless it's not breaking this 479.41, then it's heading down. Let's wait for this. Here it taps. All right. So it's break 477.81 so far, and this is our gap, which is heading over here. So let me put it one candle here. This is 1 minute. All right. So we have sellers market mostly today. Yes, because SPY went down and then this. All right. So the reverse is early. So until unless market is not touching this, if you short it, then again it will be a trap. So this is what happened on Friday. They don't tap the levels. Without tapping the levels, they started to reverse early, and then they started to buy early. That's what they will do. Right, let's go back to Tesla. All right, over SPY. Let's see. Over SPY, what it is doing. It's trying to break the low of the day. Let's see. 5 minutes. So 689.64, how it reacts. Let's see. If they are reversing early, then it's better to buy a call because market gonna act both side today. It's a sideways market just for the $2. They are making up and down. If we look at this, then going up. Another high, could not survive. Down again. So far it's sideways, like market is not doing anything, it's just sideways movement, right? Because it is just stuck between these two levels. So for $2, who will trade for $2? So either market should break above and sustain there, or either market should break below and then sustain here, then another low. That's what market should do. All right, let's look at BTC again. All right, BTC is showing some good opportunity right over here for selling side. Wow, it was a good sell in the BTC. Wow, nice. Like we have different indicator, BTC is another indicator these days which is telling where the stock market is heading. Go back to SPX, did the same thing. Let's see if it can sweep the low. It's making again. All right, I'm back. So let's see where we can find one trade. That is where we wanted to see here. Again, it is reversing here. They are just playing for $2 over SPY. They're trying to reversing early again, but this time it taps the level, which is a good thing. So if this level taps, and let's say if the market started, SPY started to come back to 690 or 38, right? This is 3 minute. I hate 3 minutes. Let's see. But today the market is so far a seller market, right? So this is a good thing. So let the market come back to 690.61, and then we will try to see if we can find opportunity for selling. What Tesla is doing? Tesla is sustain, or does it break the level? Let's see. It's sustaining right over here. Right over here. Tap it. It taps and then it started to sustain here. Let's see. Bye. Instead of small, it's a big short opportunity basically. Big short. So all right, let's wait for a spy. So we are more on selling side so far, and that is what I was saying, that they should, instead of tapping here, they reverse early and they are just sideways. They are only playing for $2, right? Then that's how they are grabbing liquidity below, liquidity from top. One more time it is coming. If it is failing right over here, then we're gonna see another sell. What market has done so far? It came here, it came here, it came here. Again, either it should break, if not, then we are tapping more like this. So let's wait from the market. Wait from the market. All we can do is wait from the market. I will try in the money ITM. I will try ITM. One SPY put 689. Let's see if it's gonna survive right over here. So BTC also has a similarity. What SPY do in the morning, most of the time BTC also heading to the only difference is, if SPY sell for $1, then BTC sell for $300. That's another thing. So BTC is actually is heading towards, um we see started to see some buyers started to appear in the BTC, right? So we will see where the BTC is heading. But if market started to go back up, then we can see 88, 897 easily in the BTC. So let's go back to SPY, Mr. SPY. What you are doing, Mr. SPY? So we are the buyers has started to appear again in the SPY, and let's wait for this level, because if you short here, then it has a room to take all the stop losses up to here. So either open your position here, because this will be a risky short, and this then open this here. This will be a good short opportunity. So let's see if they can take the market up to there. If yes, then we are seeing gonna see, we're gonna see a good short opportunity basically. I so wanted to grab one call, but I always wait for the market to make a structure, right? And this was the morning low, right? 4 a.m. sweep, 4 a.m. Yeah, so 4 a.m. kind of saving the market so far. All right, so it's breaking high. I am opening one SPX call here. And let me see which one. 690.38. If it's breaking this one, then it can take all the liquidity again. So two times the level tap below. Basically, good buying is sitting in the market is here, okay, and good sell is sitting in the here. If they are keep, but market wanted to break below, that's what looks like. But I am just waiting for market to touch this level or this level, and then we will short. This is the only thing you just need to wait, because market has, oh, this is Friday. On Friday we have most of the liquidity sweeping, and we can see big sweeping candles in the market, right? So all we can do is let's break this level, right? Either, I mean, one thing is sure, that market has made lower low right at open in the market, right? Because this is a 4 a.m. 4 a.m. it breaks the low. Also, in pre-market the high was this also, as market has break the high of the market too, which is telling us the market is both side, which is telling the spy has buyer as well as seller. So let's look at Tesla again. So look, so liquidity, it grabs the liquidity and it's heading back again to this 481. This is where somewhere it is gonna go. So far the structure has not break of the sell side. Once the structure will be break, it make another high, and then like we can see selling in the market. But right now it's a trap. They are trapping both side. I just want them to sweep up to here 690, and then we can basically take the trade for the short side. Okay, so SPX, right? I am targeting. I'm targeting. Give me one. There should be imbalance, and that imbalance should create, should help SPX, right? So this is for sure. We have sellers in the market today. All I'm just waiting. Instead of this level, market should go here 690 level for the, for good short opportunity. This happened on, okay, this is the morning, right? Let's just wait for the market to come back again here. It will come back. It will come back here. This market require a lot of patience. Over 3 minutes, we can see the market is again try to heading back to 6937 on SPX. And this is what I wanted. It should sweep this liquidity and then go up, because it has to take care of all the shorters over here, and then we will see a short opportunity. 6932. All right, team. So it is coming on a level. We are almost there. Let's wait for the 6937. I want 6 more point. SPX short opportunity at 6937. So twice it has done, but it is the thing is this is not a double bottom, right? Come on, man. Do not reverse early. So far we have small buyers appearing. Whenever it sell, it is getting bought. M structure is complete. If you look here, here, but this is not a lower. Like it's not a double bottom, and also it has not tapped the 6926 completely. So there is a chances that we will see another low and break this low 6925. Come on, market. Come on, SPX. Short opportunity. 6937. Just tap this level and then we will look for the short side. So it came back but failed to break this high, right? And then it reverses back and then it try to and it's low again and sweep. Man, 6932. Put side 6935. Wow, the premiums. What is the date? So they are kind of consolidating again. That is what I am waiting for. Once they consolidate, try to go up and then short it. Because this is previous one was not. It's a lower high and then lower high. So lower high, or if it is not able to break this structure 6932, then we are heading more down from here. So before heading back to 6937, if they are reversing early again, then we will break this time this lower low 6925. But until that's not doing anything, we are here with SPX. Come on, man, tap this or tap below. It's a trapping zone again up to here. If you are trying to buying or selling in the middle, just stay away. And this is what setup says. All right. So we're seeing lower low again. It's breaking the structure. 6920 SPX. Buy SPX 6920 put at the rate buy limit buy limit is 3, buy limit is 2.50. So have your speed stop buy limit set at this 6920 and buy limit is 2.50. Currently trading for 3.40. All right, guys. So this is what I have given you already. I am waiting for this to break another high. If it is breaking another high, then the market will go here. Right now, it's consolidating. As a good chances the market consolidate and go back up. But this is what the play is. SPX, SPX, 0 DTE, 6920, buy limit 2.50. So market is coming. I have already provided what trade I am focusing. Either we'll see exponential move, right? I mean, like this, which is tapping 6937, then come back up again. But this is the only play I have for today. Nothing else I'm touching in the market. 2.50, right? And then let's see how it goes. One opportunity here also for the shorting side. The only thing is if they able to break this, then they can go a lot more higher. So careful if you are planning to short here. Your stop loss should be 6932. So a small stop loss, but you have lot to earn. It has not tapped our levels yet. I'm waiting for this to go back to 6937, short it, then come back. Or either it will reverse early. This is what happened on Friday mostly. All right, what BTC is doing, we can see gold as well. What gold is doing? Okay, BTC is doing a consistently buy is coming in the BTC. So 87,000 is a good level where we can buy again in the market, and the target will be this up to 89. So we will look for, market is both side, but right now we can look for the buy side on BTC. SPY, SPX. Okay, so team, I'm grabbing. So they are reversing early. So I'm grabbing SPX here, 5 cons. 6920, which is trading at 2.65 market. All right. SPX 5 cons, 6920 put, average price 2.63. I grabbed. All right. So let's see how they will do. And our target will be this 6926. So I will update my position. So I have grabbed 5, and my uh so you can grab one, like, just don't overtrade, because my margin, my leverage, everything is higher. And SPX gives, target quicks. Sometimes it takes time. But since we are on the selling side so far, and market is seeing some resistance, either it should break just in once, and I will average down a little bit at 69. So I will wait at 6937 then to add couple more. But I will share whatever the results will be for them. Target is 6926 is coming for sure. Also, this is a trapping zone. So if you can wait up to here, just wait. Otherwise, if you want to force trade, this is where the level is. So market is in a is this is a trapping zone of market. So that is where you know lot of trappers got hit. However, the market has more sell side pending today, and this is what we are waiting. So I will update my position at the end of this trade. So far, let me know if you have grabbed any position yet? If not, then still you have time to grab it. 6925 contract average 2.63 will update the position by EOD. So far market is both side, but let's see what they're gonna do here. Either they should sweep the liquidity up to here, or either they should trap the buyers and then sell it back below the 6925. All right, so all we have to do is just wait in the market and wait for our levels, wait for our setup, right? If it is not breaking 6932, then we are heading back to 6926. And if it is breaking below over here, these, then we are gonna see 6926. So all we can do is just wait. If it is heading above 6932, then it's a stop loss. If it is heading back here, 6926, breaking this, then we gonna see a lot of good money in those contracts. Here you go, man. Another one. Hey, yes. Come on, one more. Come on. SPX. Come on. 2.72. 2.72. Come on, more. Come back to 6925. Another one. Come on, SPX. 150. 175. 150. 175. 160. 200. Here I'm closing the contract. 175 sealed, locked. 210. I will tell you when to take the out here. Okay. 260. Come on, SPX. And I'm closing four of them here and let it run the another last one, which is still in the money, 52. I'm closing the last one too. All right, guys. So profit is booked. Hope you have taken this trade. If not, then I would say, like you can wait for entire day again. But this is how the level works in the market. The logic is pure simple. As this morning, the market, is not trying to make any higher high, right? It make one higher high and then let me post the position in my Discord. One last con is left, and then I will just wait, let it run entire day, and then I will share I will share the trade at the end of the day. Wow, what a trade, man! What a trade! Exiting all here. Otherwise, we can see 6920 as well. But our target, as I say, our target is completed, and we are moving 6920. As I said, 6920 is our target, right? And it's heading back. What a trade! What a trade! What a trade, man! All right, guys. All right. So this is what we achieve, what we do, and I think I am done for the day. Right. My target is complete. I took one trade in a day, and that usually between 11 to 1, and always come online, do the trade, and capture it. Once I done with my target, I don't look back at the screen. Okay. All right, guys. Happy trading again, and thank you for joining, and thank you for watching my channel. Now I will going back to Bitcoin trading. So I'm going back to Bitcoin trading now. Okay, guys. So I see a couple of viewers are in the channel. Could you please let me know what you want me to watch? But right now we are in BTC trading, right? BTC. What I'm seeing is, let's see BTC. Just now I completed with the SPY trading, but here I can see the BTC is falling, and we can see more drawdown in BTC. So look at 15 minutes. It tapped this 15 minutes level, right? And still my target is again back to 86,549. So I'm opening a short position in BTC. And this is the target, lower low. Short BTC here. हाँ भाई, आ जाओ भाई, अब अपना BTC वाले लोग आ जाओ यार, टेलीग्राम ज्वाइन कर लो. हाँ भाई भरत, है क्या यहाँ पे भी ब्रॉडर 92? I'm shorting BTC now, and this is the target, 86,540, target 86,554. All right, shorting BTC here, shorting. Great, man, great, Bharat, congratulations. It so SPX give target quick. Who else is here? I target is 86.5. So I'm going back to my BTC trading now, and target is 86,554. I will not give a second thought, and BTC will give our target quick as well. Currently, BTC, I'm trading now. Done with the US stock market, right? And that gives us a target quick. All right. So I already shorted BTC, and the target on BTC is 86,569. All right, guys. So we started to see BTC drawdown is coming. This is my target on BTC, 86,562. And congratulations if you grab it. If you grab the short, congratulations. The target is 86,542. This is our target on BTC, 86. Alright, guys. So BTC is coming back to our target. It's 86,500 is the target. So I'm not worried at all. And I have open position. Let me know in the chat or the comment if you have grabbed the trade. Short BTC target. I have put in the telegram as well. 86,500. We are heading back. This is the only level we'll see little buy, but we are heading back to 86,500. You can join my telegram as well. I have updated the telegram, like what is the target. 86,500 is the target. Alright, guys. So one more trade and I'm done for the day, because we have taken one trade on SPX this morning, another trade on BTC. Both went very well, and this is called to be as Friday, Good Friday. Come on, BTC, give us the target. Come on, BTC, give us the target. And once we tap this 866 86,500 level, we are good for the day. 86,500 is the target. 799. If we look at SPX, what exactly it is doing now? Yeah, SPX going more lower. 6920 is my target on SPX. BTC, come on. 86,500 is our target BTC. Come on, BTC. Give us another 200 points. Just another 200 point and we are good for the day. Done for the day. Come on. 757. 200 more points. All right, guys. So just manage your position. I think we are done here. We are done for the day. Thanks for trading with me. We will be back again tomorrow or Monday by looking at the analysis. That's how we do every morning. We do only 1 hour trading. If on our setups, if the trade got successful, we are out. Otherwise, we take a small stop loss, and then out from the market. All right, guys. So thanks for joining. I will be back again on Monday at same time. Hope you are enjoying. Thank you.